dear students, topic for this section is location management principles and techniques. Location management scheme use the several databases called location registers. These location registers are used to maintain the location and other information such as preferences, service profile of mobile nodes. So it is necessary that we require more than one location registers. So to understand why more than one location register is required, we will consider a simple example in which there is only one location register, that is the home location register, HLR. So this HLR is used to maintain the location information of mobile nodes in the network. So the simple location management scheme, the search and update operations are performed as follows, which is described in the diagram. First is the location of mobile node is maintained at the granularity of the cell, that is which cell the mobile node was in when it was last registered. So for that mobile node M, the HLR maintains a mobility binding, that is M and C, where M is the node and C is the cell where that mobile node's location is there. So C is the latest cell or location of M known to the HLR. Okay. So the location information of M in the HLR is updated as follows. We will see one by one. In the first case, search and update operations, mobile node M is switched on. Okay. So when a mobile node is switched on, the HLR is notified of the current location of M. Okay. Like this mobile node is currently in the cell C. So as shown in this diagram, the mobile node's M's location is sent to the location server and the registration message travels via the base station of the cell to the location server. Okay, so this is the first case. Second case, search and update operation, mobile node moves from one cell C to D. Okay, so whenever handoff occurs, the HLR is notified of the cell ID to which M is handing off. Okay, so as shown in the figure, the mobile node moves from cell C to cell D, and the mobile node may decide to register its location to the cell ID. So it is dependent on the mobile node. Now the next case is search and update operation. M is in C and it is on. So to find a mobile node M's current location, first the HLR is contracted. Okay, then the HLR contacts the base station of cell ID. Base station of cell C in the mobility binding of M. The base station pages for mobile M. So this is the HLR and it sends or contacts to the base station of the cell C. Now this base station pages for the mobile M in its cell. Pages means it sends the message, that is the one concept, that is pages, which is used to search the mobile's current location. So the base station pages for mobile node in its cell. If M is in cell C, if that mobile node is in cell C and it is turned on or switch on, then it can respond to the page message and the connection is established when that mobile node is switched on. If that mobile node is switched off, see here, the mobile node changes cell, means it shifted from cell C to cell D. Now the search operation is going on for this mobile node. So first is, where is mobile node? It sends a message to HLR. HLR contacts to the cell D is the mobile node is in your cell, but this is switch off, the mobile node is switch off, so the HLR could not find the M, so it did not find M and it sends the message or a response that failure to find the M. So this is because the M is switched off. Okay, so this is the location management principles and techniques. Now we will see registration area based location management in the next section.